Nike PSG jerseys. These are freaking fire, man, and they're going for more than 50% off. Jordan 37's going down further, going down in price, $60. These are going for $35. Wow, not bad, not bad. Why would they be washed in Santa Clarita during regular hours? What the hell? We got here a few minutes after noon. Let's look around. Starting in the size 9s right here. GT Jump 2's going for $80. I thought this was a Nike by You, which would have made it cheap, but that's actually a pretty dope colorway though. Pretty dope colorway. This is a size 9 right here. Jordan 38 highs right here. The 39s are out now. I can't believe 39's already out. These are going for 100. Not bad. LeBron's going for 100. LeBron 19s. What the hell are these doing here? $70 for these. KD 3s going for 110. How are we seeing so many of these? The ambush dunk highs right here, 150, as well as these Noctas. Just kind of crazy. $100 for these. Jordan 2 lows down to $70. LeBron 2 still going for 100 in Midnight Navy. Do see plenty of SB boxes, but no dunks. Some Nijas right there going for 50. It's crazy to see so many of these. Wow, 9.5. I got like excited. I thought these were like Nike by Use or something. Just next gens. Right here going for 80. I did neglect size 8 for small feet gang. Let's see what's up here in the size 8. Pennies. Thought these were triple white. Nah, pure platinums go for 80. Stadium green go for 80 as well. Zoom GT Cut Academy, some budget basketball sneakers, $40. That's so freaking cheap. There's an old school Pegasus right here. Pegasus like 85 or something, go for 60. Got Comforts right here, going for $120. GT Cut 2's going for 80. That's a hell of a price. Nike by You Huaraches going for 60. I was gonna say let's go see what's up with the apparel section. They still got a ton of college slide. Got Memphis. This is Memphis? Oh, Tennessee State. Tennessee State right here. And they got a few different sizes. $20 for these Victory slides. Got OSU right here. Spelman College? Where the hell is that? Got Georgia back here. Got Clark Atlanta University. Damn. Some of these are going to take a while to sell. Florida A&M right here. Oklahoma right here. OSU, Oklahoma State. And they even got this school right here. Tuskegee, that's who that is. Oh, okay. Tuskegee makes sense. Norfolk State. Damn, I don't see no backpacks. They're getting that full price for them backpacks, huh? Nothing on clearance. Just these Zion ones. These have been here forever. Forever. Look. They were priced in May, dude. May, June. Was that 3 months ago? 3 months ago. And then they got a couple of bags right here. These are going for $20. Little mini duffel bag. Dude got some pretty dope jerseys right here. Look at this. PSG soccer jerseys. $40. Wow, this has been here for a few weeks too. This is priced on 8.6. So it's been here for at least a couple weeks. Damn, PSG Nike jerseys going for $4. They have quite a few sizes. I see small, medium, large. Angels FC jersey right here as well, going for $40. Moving on to the size 10s. We'll get back to the apparel in just a few minutes. Jordan 1 low fly E's. And this is the one with no laces. Got Air Max 1 OGs, still 140, way too high. You need cleats. This is the spot for cleats. Baseball cleats. These are some Trouts right here. Go for $25. Jordan 37's going down further. Going down in price. $60. That's what's up. More cleats right here. Is this for football or baseball? I think this is, oh, for football. Vapor Elite 360s going for $100. Golf cleats. These are some Jordan ADG4 Golf. Going for $80. This colorway also down to $60. 10.5. Jumpman Team 1s down to $70. What's up with these LeBron 19 lows? Haven't seen these in years. All of a sudden we see multiple. $70 for these. Now that the Olympics are over, pole vault elites down to $35. That's just way specific. 38 lows right here, going for $80. That's what's up. Jordan 1 low golf with the faux alligator skin right there, 110. Size 11, their deluge of Nike IDs are over, man. Haven't seen too many today. Last couple trips, I feel like we saw a ton, and they are usually priced to go. As long as they don't have a name or something on it, usually pretty good. Nike by Paul right here. These are going for $70 for these old school Pegasus. Speaking of old school, got some Airspans right here, down to 50. Got Penny 2s right here. The Social Status collab going for $100. Pair of Comforts. Are they both? Yeah, 120 for each of those. Air Max 1 OGs. I don't know why they've been charging so much for Air Max 1s. 130 for those. So curious to see what the price on these are. Alpha Fly Next Percent 3s. Damn, 230. That's $50 off, but damn, that's definitely not the clearance pricing that we're used to. These look insane. They look insane fast. I got a pair of 2s at home. If someone wants to trade those for a 10.5. I could also use size 7 men's as well, or an 8.5 women's if y'all want to trade for 12.5. Got some Blazer Nike by Use right here, going for $60 off of colorway. Now I'm so curious to see if I'm gonna find any other jerseys. See a ton of t-shirts. Seen $13 ones, seen $15 ones, all kinds of t-shirts. 6 different racks of t-shirts. That's crazy. You're gonna start seeing a bunch of shorts on sale now. And the winter stuff, are the prices gonna start going up? $20 for these right here. These fleece shorts. I can't do white though. I got one pair of white shorts and I just never wear them. Never. Because they're gonna get dirty in 3 minutes. $25 for these fleece shorts. Look, Nike SB shorts right here. These are $30. Normally $80, down to $30. Size 26 though. Damn. Okay, there might be some better sizes right here. Because who wears size 26? 32. Okay, more regular size right here. $30. That color is definitely interesting. They got tech fleece. What's up with these tech fleece? Tech fleece shorts down to $40. Pretty reasonable. Pretty reasonable, especially since the price is so freaking high. Normally, what, $90? Nike Golf right here, go for $30. Checking to see if the price of these shorts went down. $25? Okay, maybe I could buy. Do they have a small for my kiddo? Yeah, $25. I'm gonna have to grab these. He has the gray one already. I paid $40 for those. I was trying to be patient for these, so yeah, I'm gonna get him a small. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these. I think that one's too light. He does like having, oh, these are $40 too. That price is too high. Not paying $40 for another pair of shorts. These shorts are hella nice, dude. Super thick, and they got pockets with zippers on them, which my kiddo just loves. And they got these cargo pants right here. What's up with these cargo pants? $40 for the cargo pants. They're normally $100, so wow. Got some sweats right here. $20. I do need some sweats for the winter. $55 down to $20. I know right now is the time to buy, but I'm losing weight, so I can't really buy too much. I need to buy a little bit, but I can't buy too much right now. $60 for these, and no real good sweats in a size medium. These are $25 right here, but no, I'm not feeling those. Size 12 AJKOs right here, go for $110. Mids also go for $110. Come on now, that's crazy. Jordan 1 Fly E's go for $110. I don't know why I keep saying it that way. Air Max 97s go for $80. That is a Terrascape. People ain't been into those at all. Immortality's been given away for $40. SB React Leos right here, down to $40. Metcon Turbos down to $60. Metcon 9s. I'm gonna have to grab some Metcon soon, man. I've been lifting weights too much lately. $70. I won't even say too much, but too much to be lifting them in some running shoes, more or less. Size 13's coming up. Jordan 1 Hot OGs right here. This is like crazy. $150 for these. I swear I've seen them cheaper at the retail stores. The Rex Kwandos go for $80. Invincible Run Fly Knits go for $80. Nike by You hiking shoes right here with some Gore-Tex on them. $100 for these. Damn, dude. That's actually quite a lot. Usually for Nike by U's, they cap them off at 80. That's crazy. Nike by U Air Force Ones then. Oh, these aren't Nike by U's. Man, this coloring is kind of crazy. 70 for those. Jordan 37s in a crazy colorway. I don't even know this one. Satao? I don't know. $80 for these. Let's talk about what I got on feet today. Mocha 3s. Jordan 3 Mochas. Did grab these here at the Nike clearance store way back when in its heyday. Grabbed these for like $70 or something, dude. They had the size 10, 10.5, they had size 11s, and they had a bunch of them, which is crazy. And it is hot as hell, so yeah, I got tank top, do got cargo shorts on. I need to buy new shirts and stuff, man. Like, some of my older shirts aren't even fitting now. I only dropped like 15 pounds too. Kind of crazy. Checking out the biggest sizes in the women over here. And they got these in the women's too, kind of weird. I got Forces, size 11.5 men's, size 13 women's, going for 80. So I need to buy some of these, like Metcons from the women's section. These are going for 35. Wow. Got some nylon Cortez right here. These are going for $70, size 10.5 men's. Which ones are these? Some Flyes right here, size 15 women, so 35 bucks. Yeah, these are still going for way too much. Size 14, so what, size 12.5 men's, 150. These Metcons cheap here too. Size 10.5, 70. That's not too bad. It is a Fly Ease. Air Max 90s down here, going for 60. That's the size 11 women's. More common size 7 women's. This is what size? This is $50. More common size for women. Got these ZoomX Ultrafly Trails go for 100. Got a homegirl that's running a marathon. She wears a size 8.5 women's. So I'm trying to find some racing shoes. I don't see any today. Some Zagama Trails go for 80. Invincible Runs, still 80 for these. Air Max Thea Mids. Watts had these forever. They were priced way cheap. They're 70 here. These weird looking things right here. The Footscape Wovens go for 70. Jordan 2s, 120. Another Jordan 2 right here, 140. All white Hirachis go for 60. Sabrinas. Oh, these are 6.5 for $60 though. That's a hell of a price. Jordans right here. These are going for 160. That's insane. That's insane. And then Air Max 1s right here. $70 for these. More 2s in a strange color I've never seen. 140. Scorpions down to 100. Here more of Tempos, all denim. Go for 80. Damn, shorter episode. I have to head out. I need to go pick my kid from school. What's this? Kids jersey right here? Julio Jones kids jersey. This is a medium. What's this going for? $50. That's not too bad. Canada jersey, Canada soccer jersey down to 30. Is this for women? Oh, this is for women. Got more jerseys right here for Julio Jones. Are these women's or kids? Oh, these are women's jerseys, and then also Canada jerseys as well. And then got this. Who is this? Who is this? GE Appliance Racing Louisville? I don't know who the hell that is. But yeah, $40. But yeah, let me pay for this. This is what, 25 bucks? Let me pay for this. I gotta go pick up my kiddo from school. I think I'm gonna go somewhere after I pick him up. That's what I'll do. Not bad, not bad. Next stop, we are stopping by a Ross. I actually need some other stuff, but I figured I'd check to see what's up. And then finding more Justin Field jerseys. That is a large. Chargers team apparel right here. Oh, actually, no, this is Nike. Chargers Nike shirts going for $13. Nike, this pullover right here. It is a medium, normally 80 down to 30. Adidas practice football jersey right here. Look at this, $6. That is a medium. Brooklyn Nets Harden jersey right here. This is pretty dope. $30 for these if you are a Harden fan. Normally $110. That is a small. Nike Rams shirt right here, double XL, go for $13. Couple more Bears jerseys right here. These are both double XL for Fields. Little track jacket right here. These are normally 85 down to 30. So I don't think anybody would say it's crazy, but getting a lot better. Getting way better. Finding a lot more stuff than before. And I think I can objectively say that because before we weren't finding shit. We literally were finding nothing. Now we're finding stuff. Moving on to the sneakers. What are these? GT Hustle 2s? These are size 12, $60. Cosmic Unity in a crazy huge size going for $60. Got the crazy ones, aka Kobe ones, going for $45 in that weird color. Smaller sizes do got some Steph Currys right here. I don't know which Curry this is, but one of the older Currys going for $30, like a size 7. Grant Hill 2s in a colorway I've never seen before, going for $30. The budget, what is this, like the Splash? It's called the Splash or something. The budget Curry's going for $50. Got some Vans right here going for $37. Oh, got these ugly things right here. The wannabe Kobe's. What the hell are these called? The Infinites or something? The Crazy Infinites or something like that. But yeah, go for $55. Got some, what do they call these? The spaghetti. I don't know what the hell the name of these are. But yeah, do that have the Stackhouse go for $25. Another Grant Hill 2 in a colorway I've never seen before. They're going for $30. Got some these Mach 5s. Some Hokas right here go for $90. Got some of the Mellows. Is that Bob Ross? That's Mellow right there. That is hilarious. $50 for these. I see a beanie. I haven't seen any good hats or anything like that in a long time. Nice little New Era New York Mets beanie, which are pretty dope. $13. I'm seeing some Steelers hats right here. These are New Era, medium, large. So normally $40 down to $13. A Green Bay one here as well. Got a Colorado Rockies one as well. Got some football gloves. Football gloves for $10. And these are the Vapor Jets. These are the really nice ones. Medium, not bad, dude. For $10. These retail for like 65 or something. Oh no, these retail for 40. I can see the little 40 behind there. That's dope. That's dope. This is a kid size. That's why they normally go for like 60. Quadruple XL. What are these for? What are these for? Is these like working gloves? These lineman gloves? No, there's no padding on it. I don't know. But they're Nike gloves. I don't know what the hell they are for. I'm looking for some weightlifting gloves and don't really see any. I think those are biking gloves. New Balance biking gloves. Got some Fila ones. I'm good. I'm actually really excited to find these things. I've been looking for wooden like spoons and wooden stuff because I'm trying to get away from all the plastic because all the microplastics, that type of stuff. And they got OXO brand. These are normally like $15 to $20 a piece. They got it for $8 a piece here. Oh hell yeah, let's go. And I actually came here for blackout curtains. I don't see any of the size that I need. Been to Target, been to a few spots today, and nobody has the size I need. I might need to order it on Amazon. All right, no sneakers, but got some stuff for the house.